Welcome dear to How To channel, myself Kiran Sharma. In this video I will show you how to use the find and replace option. Now this find and replace option comes as a boon to replace multiple occurrences of word or text which you don't need to manually locate and replace it with the required word or text. So if you want to know it, stay tuned till the end of the video. So let's begin. Now you will find this option in the editing group, which is under the home tab. This is the option find. So let me select this find option. Now over here you need to specify what you want to find. So I want to replace the word styles, which has multiple occurrences in this document, with the word themes. So let me first specify what needs to be found. So once I specify what needs to be found, the word style, as in this case, the word gets highlighted in the document. Now from the editing group, select replace. Now when the replace option is selected, the find and replace floating dialog box comes up. Over here you have to specify the text with which you want to replace it. So let's type themes. Now you have over here replace, replace all and find next options. Replace will replace the single occurrence of it. Replace all will replace all the occurrences at one go, and find next is just to locate the next occurrence of the word which is to be found. So let's select replace. If you want to skip this, you don't want to change it to themes, because it depends context to context which one you want to replace it and which you don't want to replace it. So you can skip by clicking on this find next option. Now if you want to change this, just say or click over here the replace button. Now you will see the style, this one was skipped by using the option over here find next. This was changed. So let me close it, undo the changes, and let me show you how to use the option replace all. So I select the option style, click on this find option in the editing group. Automatically it's taken and the word gets highlighted. I click on this replace option from the editing group and I say replace it with themes. It has taken the previous entry, so I'm changing it with themes. It's okay, and I say replace all. So it has made 3 replacements. It has and it asks, do you want to continue searching from the beginning? I say yes. So in that case I don't miss any of the occurrences. It had 3 entries. 3 entries has been replaced. Click on OK. Close it. Let's select themes. Let me find themes. Now see, all the one was already there and 3 replacements has been done in the document. So this is it for the find and replace option. If you find this video worth watching, then give a like, share it with your friends, and also add a comment to let me know what topics you want me to cover in the upcoming videos. Subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it, and press the bell icon also, so that you don't miss any notifications of the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.